viewers, so here we will be seeing the syllabus which is based on class 11th and class 12th. So we all know this syllabus has been reduced and we are going to write in two terms. The term 1 will be completely based on objective and term 2 will be based on subjective. So the term 1 will be of 40 marks and term 2 will be of 40 marks. Then the other 20 marks will be internal assessments, which will be based on the periodic test as well as the activities given to you. Now this is class 11 term 1 syllabus. So the first chapter is sets and functions, which is for 11 marks, algebra 13 marks, coordinate geometry 6 marks, calculus 4 marks, statistics and probability 6 marks. So altogether it is of 40 marks and internal assessments 10 marks. As I told you, altogether 50. Now there are subtopics under each and every chapter. So I will be mentioning you the chapters. It is mentioned below. And then we will also see the chapters, the exercises which is been cancelled. Yeah, the exercises which is been cancelled, so you'll have a clear idea. Now, in sets and functions, you have the chapter sets and the second chapter relations and functions. So in sets you have the topics like sets and their representations, empty set, finite and infinite, universal set, Venn diagrams, unit and intersections of sets. So you may get little bit confused which exercise is there, which exercise is not there. So I will be mentioning you at the end of this video that which topics or which exercises is been there or it is cancelled. Yeah, as well as in relation functions you have ordered pairs, Cartesian product of sets, number of elements in the Cartesian product of finite sets, and so on. So this is for 11 marks altogether. Yeah. So these are the two chapters which are present under sets and functions. Now let us go to the second chapter, which is algebra, and this has for 11 marks, and complex and coordinate equations and sequence and series. These are the two chapters which is for 11 marks. Yeah. And then the third chapter, coordinate geometry, which has the chapter straight lines. The fourth chapter, calculus, which has limits. So limits, this chapter is completely limits and derivatives. So limits will be for term 1 and derivatives will be for term 2. This calculus is 4 marks. Statics and probability you will have for 6 marks. And this has only the chapter statistics. So this will be coming for where is it? Yeah, this will be coming for first term, and the second term it will be coming for it will be completely based on probability. So here you have internal assessments. You can see a periodic test which is for 5 marks, and the mathematics activities which has the activity file record plus term and assessments of one activity, and the viva in your class which is conducted. So it is for 5 marks. Now this is term 2 syllabus, which again has 5 chapters. So this is the continuation of all the chapters. Sets and functions 8 marks, algebra 11, coordinate geometry 9, calculus 6, statistics and probability 6. So sets and functions, it has here trigonometric and functions. Yeah, trigonometric and functions, that's all. So it is for 8 marks. Now the second chapter, which is algebra, it has linear inequalities, permutations and combinations. So it is for 11 marks altogether. Now the third chapter is coordinate geometry. So it has 2 chapters, conic sections and introduction to 3D. Yeah, and then the calculus, which consists of 6 marks. Yes, which consists of 6 marks. So here you have derivatives. Yeah, it is derivatives. Well, in term 1 it was I guess it was for 4 marks, and in term 2 it is 6 marks. Yes, in term 1 it is 4 marks and in term 2 it is 6 marks. And then the next chapter is statistics and probability, which is for 6 marks. So it was in term 1 it was for 6 marks, and in term 2 it is for 6 marks, 6 plus 6. And you'll only have probability here, and as usual you will have even internal assessments there. So these are the chapters which is present. Now let us go for class 12 syllabus here. So in class 12 syllabus you have in term 1 the first 5 chapters. So here this is also the objective examination: relations and functions, which is for 8 marks, algebra 10, calculus 17, and linear programming 5 marks, altogether 40, and internal assessments 10 marks. So together 50 marks. This is term 1 syllabus. So this book, I mean the first book completely has term 1, and in term 2, I mean the second book part 2, LPP, the linear programming. So these are the chapters in term 1 syllabus. Now let us see the topics under these chapters. In relations and functions, you have relations and functions as the first chapter, and the second chapter is inverse trigonometric functions. So these are the two chapters. Yeah, and in second chapter algebra, matrices and determinants. Third one calculus, continuity and differentiability, and applications of derivatives. In the fifth chapter linear programming. Yeah, so this is term 1, and you will have internal assessments. Now let us go to term 2 syllabus. So here you have 3 chapters: calculus, vectors and 3D geometry, and probability. So calculus is 18, vectors and 3D is 14, probability is 8 marks, altogether 40, and you will have internal assessments 10, so completely 50 marks. Now in calculus you have integrals. Yeah, the continuity and differentiability, it is for term 1, see here, and for term 2 it is integrals. And then the second chapter is applications of the integrals. These are the 2 chapters, and also this chapter is present, differential equations. Yeah, these are the 3 chapters present in integrals. Now you have vectors and 3D, you have vectors and 3D as the chapters. In probability you will have probability as a chapter itself, and you have internal assessments present, so which is for 10 marks. You have 5 plus 5 periodic test or the unit test, and the other 5 marks is for math activities. Yeah, so this is the complete syllabus which is based which is for class 11th and class 12 students. Now let me just tell you the chapters which are being cancelled. I mean not the chapters, exercises cancelled in class 11th and class 12 syllabus. These are the chapters which are being deleted for class 11th. Mathematical reasoning, mathematical induction, and binomial theorem. And when it comes to exercises, the first chapter sets exercise 1.5 and questions related to exercise 1.5 in miscellaneous exercise has been deleted. Then the complex numbers and quadratic equation, the polar form, the questions related to polar form is being deleted, which comes in exercise 5.2. Then the next chapter, sequence and series, exercise 9.4 and questions related to exercise 9.4 in miscellaneous has been deleted. Then the trigonometric functions, exercise 3.4 is deleted. Statistics, in that coefficients of variation, that concept is deleted, which is the last concept. And in this chapters there is no changes. Relations and functions, straight lines, limits, and the supplementary the limits and the derivatives, and the supplementary page which will be the last page, that is also included. Linear inequalities, permutation and combinations, conic sections, and probability. So as well as introduction to 3D geometry. These are the chapters which do not have any changes. Now let us come to class 12 syllabus, the exercises which are being deleted. In relations and functions we have exercise 1.3, 1.4 and miscellaneous. Question number 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14 is being deleted. The second chapter, inverse trigonometry, exercise 2.2, and in miscellaneous 13 to 17 is deleted. Matrices exercise 3.4, determinants exercise 4.2, exercise 4.6 from 1 to 6, and miscellaneous question number 2 and question number 11 to 15 is been deleted. And then continuity and differentiation, that chapter exercise 5.8 and miscellaneous exercise question number 3 and 19, application of derivatives in that exercise 6.1, exercise 6.4, and miscellaneous, which is question number 3 and 19. In integrals you have exercise 7.8 which is deleted, and in miscellaneous question number 40. In applications of integrals exercise 8.2, and in miscellaneous question number 12, 18 and 19 has been deleted. Now differential equation exercise 9.3, exercise 9.6, question number 19, miscellaneous 3, 5, 17 is deleted. In vectors miscellaneous exercise question number 18, page number 622 is also deleted, that is a supplementary part. And in 3D chapter exercise 11.2, question number 10 and 11 deleted, exercise 11.3, question number 12 and 13, and miscellaneous question number 3 and 5. The last two chapters which is LPP, exercise 12.1, 4, 6, 9, and exercise 12.2, 1, 9, 10, and miscellaneous 2 and 3. This is included, but the formatting question is deleted. Only the graphical question will. The last chapter probability exercise 13.5 and miscellaneous question 5, 6, 9 is being deleted. So these are all the chapters which are being deleted for class 9th and 12th. Hope you all have got all the chapters which has been deleted, what are the chapters which you have to read completely. So hope you like my video, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Share it with everyone as much as possible. Thank you.